Here's how to create WooCommerce category discounts that apply automatically and save you from dealing with coupon code headaches later on. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and look for plugins, then add new plugin. Type Disco in that search box and install the free plugin. After activation, you'll notice Disco shows up in your sidebar menu. Click on it and hit Create a Discount to get started. You'll want to name this something obvious in the campaign name field, like shoes discount or whatever category you're targeting. Under discount intent, pick product because you're going after specific items based on their category, not cart totals or anything fancy like that. Check that all products is selected in the filter products area so the plugin can actually find your categorized items. Setting up your actual discount happens in the product rules section. Go with percentage discount as your type since it works better across different price points than flat dollar amounts. Drop in your percentage, like 25, and you're good there. Here's where it gets interesting. The conditions section is where you tell the plugin exactly which category should trigger your discount. Hit Add Condition and choose categories from that first dropdown. Keep the second one on In List and then type your category name in the search field. Pick shoes or whatever category you're targeting from the results. You can control how often this discount gets used through the user limit field if you want to cap it. The Valid Between section handles start and end dates. Set it if you're doing some kind of season sale thing. Save and exit makes everything live immediately. Testing is pretty straightforward. Just go to your actual store, look up a product from your target category, and watch the discount show up automatically.